Bro, you have no idea.
Man,
These kids are strong in numbers. Strong in numbers. What? Pull over.
Is he crying?
What?
Aria died.
What? Shut up the car.
Aria.
Your dog died? What? I thought she was getting surgery.
I guess she... I don't know what the they did.
Bro, are you serious right now?
Oh, of course he's serious.
What did they say happened?
She looked pale after she got out of surgery. Her belly stopped breathing, her heart started beating. And, we tried to revive her, but they couldn't.
Are you me, Evan, or is this for real?
Bro, he's not.
He's not with you. This is sad, bro. Oh man, Evan, I don't like to see you cry. I love you, bro. We love you, Evan. We all love you, Evan.
Love you, bro.
What do you mean?
Bye.
Bye.
That's so sad.
Yo, this is a life lesson. How quick things can change. Everything was so good, literally hilarious 2 minutes ago. 60 seconds later, my friend is in shambles. What, you guys wanna go work out?
God, fucking. That's what Aria would want us to do.
That's what Aria would want us to do. In the name of Aria. Viva. Viva Aria. Cinque! Cha-cha! You got a new car?
Yeah, I got a new car.
That's cool. I mean, you got a new BMW, so I'm just like, what the f is happening right now, Ev? Like, can you tell me what happened?
Our vitals were fine all throughout the surgery. Everything was fine. The anesthesia was perfect. And then after surgery, they went to give her x-rays. They see how the surgery went. Then they came back. Then all of a sudden she was pale. So then they just said she went into cardiac arrest and died. Cause of death, they don't know. Death was never discussed in this. They never said, oh, she has this much chance of living after this.
Bro, you called me.
Yeah.
Even right now, like, you could be messing with me.
Yeah.
Like, that's what it feels like. It just doesn't make any sense how she's having a surgery on her leg.
Yeah. And dies.
F***ed up, bro. This is cool, though. we got quite the squad of vehicles here.
Oh yeah, bro. The cool bus, the Yeti, Chief with Andy's tent on top, Evan's brand new BMW, and the Kunta Quinta Punche Quano, and Frank.
So yeah, it all looks good and stuff. It's just the vibes right now are like really serious and sad. I don't like seeing Evan sad. That's what makes me like uneasy about this situation. He's my best friend, and it always sucks when you see people that you know or love in pain, whether emotional or physical. So this is like you guys know, I try to keep the vlogs fun and exciting, but sometimes they do get real, and my goal with you is to share my life with you so you guys can live it with me, and that's what we've done. We've built this family. Like I like legitimately, hopefully you feel the same way. It's like I owe things to you, and just give me your time, watch my vlogs. And as a trade-off, my life has become very real to you guys. That's why we call ourselves the Logan. But